Welcome back, Culinary Curious. Before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest recipes. Today, we're exploring the delightful world of mangu, a dish steeped in the rich culinary tradition of the Dominican Republic. This hearty, mouth-watering staple has won hearts around the globe with its simplicity and robust flavors. Ready to add another delicious dish to your repertoire? Stick around as we discover the magic of mangu. To kick things off, gather all the necessary ingredients. For mangu, you'll need the following. Our star player in this dish is the green plantain. We'll need 4 of these unpeeled. Next, we'll need some butter. A 1/4 cup should do the trick, but feel free to adjust to your personal preference. Salt is essential in bringing out the flavors, so let's go with 1 tablespoon of it. And finally, water. We'll need enough to cover our plantains in a pot, but to put a figure on it, about 4 cups should suffice. Remember, cooking is not just a science, it's an art as well. Feel free to adjust these measures to your liking. Maybe you prefer your mangu a bit saltier, or perhaps you're a butter enthusiast. That's the beauty of home cooking. You're in control. Got everything perfect! Now, let's move on to the fun part, cooking. With all ingredients at hand, it's time to cook up a storm. Let's dive right in. The first step to creating our delicious mangu is to boil the plantains. Ensure the plantains are fully submerged in the water and let them boil until they become soft. This usually takes around 20 minutes, but the actual time can vary, so keep an eye on them. Once the plantains are tender, drain the water and transfer them to a large bowl. Now, it's time for some elbow grease. Grab your masher and start mashing the plantains. As you work, add in the butter and salt. These ingredients not only add flavor to the dish, but also aid in achieving a smooth texture. Remember, the key to perfect mangu is consistency. So keep mashing until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Don't rush this process, take your time to ensure the best results. Now for a little pro tip. If your mangu is too dry, don't hesitate to add a little bit of the water you used for boiling the plantains. This can add some extra moisture and make the mangu even smoother. And there you have it, a delicious, hearty mangu. But wait, we're not done yet. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the steps to make sure you're all set for your mangu adventure. We began our journey by gathering all the necessary ingredients: ripe plantains, butter, red onions, vinegar, and some seasoning. Remember, quality ingredients make for a delicious dish. Next, we peeled and boiled the plantains until they were soft and ready to be mashed. We then sautéed the onions in butter and vinegar, adding a dash of seasoning for that extra kick. Once everything was ready, we combined the mashed plantains and sautéed onions to create the tantalizing mangu dish. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your very own mangu. Don't worry if it doesn't turn out perfect the first time. Like any skill, cooking requires practice. Keep at it and your mangu will be a hit in no time. That's it for today, folks. We hope you enjoy making and tasting this fantastic dish. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.